An angle bisector is a line, ray, or segment that cuts an angle into two congruent, adjacent angles. So let's create an angle bisector here. We've got this angle on the left, and we're just going to take a ray. It could be a line, ray, or a segment, and we're going to simply cut this angle in half. So there's my ray, and we can mark this angle. Oops, let's get a thinner pen there. And this angle will be congruent to this angle. Remember, congruent just means that they have the same measure. So the angle is cut into two congruent parts. This concept can be applied to a triangle, and we can draw an angle bisector from each vertex of the triangle. These are the angle bisectors of the triangle. It is also an example of concurrent lines. Remember, concurrent lines are three or more lines that intersect at one point. So I just drew my first angle bisector, and here I'm drawing my second, and here is my third. Notice that they're all intersecting at one point. This is what we call the point of concurrency, which for the angle bisectors, that is called the incenter. Now, the angle bisectors of a triangle have a very special property. What we can learn from these is that from the incenter to the sides of the triangle are all going to be congruent measures. And remember, when you're drawing a distance from a point to a line, you are always creating right angles. So we could mark all of these right here. This right here is a right angle, as well as this right here, and finally this right here. So all of the lines that are black are examples of angle bisectors. The blue dot is the incenter, which is the point of concurrency for angle bisectors. And the orange lines represent the distance from the incenter to the sides of the triangle, which are all congruent.